So, hey guys, it's Cameron. I'm just here to show you what I got from 11 legendary treasures packs. As you can see, we have all of those legendary treasures packs. Well, here are the cards that I got. Cedric Juniper, Charmeleon, Bluebat, Minccino, Solosis, Gibble, Garbodor Hollow, Lugia EX, Cinccino Radiant Collection, Teddiursa Radiant Collection, got Samurai, Reverse, Seismitoad Reverse, Sigilyph, Mew EX Full Art, Rescueman Full Art, Shaman EX Full Art, Landorus Hollow, Sigilyph Hollow, Leavanny Hollow, Rayquaza. My friend gave me a Charizard. Pikachu, Waltz, Bly, Gothita, Torchic, Spiritomb, Charmeleon, Tepig, and that's my friend Julio. Vulpix, Swallow. That's the guy who trained me the Charizard. And then Natu, Druddigon, Tango, Gallade, Growlithe, Ursaring, Dewott.
If you go to Dave & Buster's in Tennessee and you find a Zekrom pack, shut up real quick, okay?
Dwebble.
Say shut up!
And then you switch.
See?
Snivy. Oshawott. Minccino. Minccino. Cloagunk Reverse. Growlithe. Minccino. Coolio. Energy Switch. Snivy. Waltz. Gibble. Solosis.
Her too.
I didn't get that one, okay?
That's mine. This is mine. I'm a beast.
And I'm gonna take it.
No, you're not, boy. I'm gonna slap the crap out of you.
Give me another card. Uniqueless. Minccino. Druddigon. Rallius. Simple.
If his sister comes in here, I'm sorry, because his sister's kind of crazy.
Kasika. Zorba. Miss Maggie. Piplup. Cloagunk. Gothita. Gallade. Torchic. Dewott.
I wish that was a real Pokemon.
Prinplup. Natu. Magikarp.
Did you say that too?
Swaddle. Look, it's a Magikarp.
Magikarp? Is that what it says?
Nope. Swaddle.
Magikarp.
Tangela is Magikarp. I don't know.
That's a funny name.
Druddigon. Crushing Hammer. Explosives with the big butthole. Trubbish. Here we go. Charmander.
This one has a big butthole.
What's the big butthole right there?
You see the two cheeks? And then
Empoleon.
The middle.
Zorba. Gallade.
Pikachu.
I don't know who's being creepy. Stunfisk. Crustle. Walt.
Stunfisk.
Gibble. Solosis. Superior. Teddiursa. Hooflant. Crustle. Tepig. Gothita. Swablu is what got burned. Vulpix. Growlithe. Gallade. Waltz. Carnivine. Cedric Juniper. Bluebat. Swaddle. Snivy. And Waltz. And a Gibble. So, that's Cam. Alright, so.
Have a good doobie-doobie-doo day.
These are all the packs that I got, but I also got 4. Don't do that now. Don't do that. No.
I turned this off.
Okay, so I'm sorry guys. My friend's not being really polite right now because I'm recording. But so don't turn it on.
It's not on.
But I also got 4 platinum Arceus packs. And of course the 4 Pop Series packs. So this is what I got in them. I did get a good card. I did get in level X. So that's my first level X in the world. He says he's thinking that he's gonna get it, but he's not. Because it's you. And I got another Charmander, which he really wants.
Charmander? I don't want Charmander. What the heck are you talking about?
Zekrom.
That's not making.
Well, I also got a Zekrom EX and Legendary Treasures. And also a Keldeo EX, Magikarp, Waltz, and Gabite.
Is that what it's called, Gabite?
Yep.
Gabite. Gabite? Does he bite a lot? That's a question I need to know.
Alright, so I did get a level X, guys. So do you want me to look? See, I got this Gengar level X. I got Regigigas in the Pop series. Arceus Leaf. Helix Fossil. The Arceus is for trade. I already have that one. Manectric.
Check out this, guys. Okay. If you
Ghastly.
don't check out this, I will hunt you down.
Wingull. Shut up. Lopunny. Trico. Beedrill. Fire Energy. Shinx. Grovyle. Charmander. Baneri. Bronzor. Amistar. Piplup. Gibble. Nosepass. Rattata. Lightning Energy. Raichu. Gibble. Piplup. Another Gibble. Lightning Energy. Haunter. Dark Energy. Tangela. Ghastly Reverse. Bronzor. Wormadam. Trash Cloak.
Is that what his name is?
Croagunk. Ammonite. Gulpin.
I'm dumb.
Wingull. Lopunny. Helix Fossil. Reverse. Electrike. Let's see. We have a Hariyama. Graveler. Energy Restore. Let's see. Energy Restore again. Professor Oak's Visit. Gulpin. Expert Belt. Ammonite. Helix Fossil again. A Trico, a Haunter, and a Pelipper. Alright guys, so this is Cameron Edwards here. So this has been a great day for pack opening. Me and my friend Jarrell, that's him.
My name's not Jarrell, it's Jarrell.
Jarrell. Call him whatever you want, okay?
Don't call me Butthead.
Yeah, call him Butthead. You're funny.
I'm serious.
Yeah. Well, hold on. Well, this is Cameron Edwards. Please watch. Bye-bye.